into your hosting account. Select which domain you're going to add your free CDN to on the right. We suggest making a backup of your website before adding your CDN. Depending on the size of your website, this can take a while. Now return to the Domain Control panel. Select Web Optimization. Now turn your CDN on. We have the CDN set up as to not break any website. We offer a vast selection of additional options. We suggest you only use these if you know what you're doing. If you do break your site, you can always use the backup you just made.